Assalamu alaikum and good evening to everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss one more topic from animal behavior, and the topic is orientation and navigation. So let us discuss 30 MCQs, important MCQs from this topic. Let us start. The first MCQ is orientation in animals refers to. Options are on your screen, and the correct option is directional movement in response to stimulus. As orientation is the ability of animals to determine and adjust their position or direction in relation to environmental cues. Next question is navigation is. Navigation is options are on your screen, and the correct option is option B, that is use of cues to reach a specific destination. As we know, navigation enables animals to find their way from one place to another using environmental signals such as magnetic fields, stars, and landmarks. Third question is kinesis differs from text because of. The options are on your screen, and the correct option is kinesis is non-directional, while texts are directional. In kinesis, momentary depends on stimulus intensity, but not direction. In texts, movement is towards or away from the direction. The next question is the ability of an animal to return to its home area after displacement is called. It is called the homing. Okay, homing is the capacity to navigate back to a specific location, such as the nest or roost, after a long distance. Question fifth is which animal uses Earth's magnetic field for navigation? Options are salmon fish, homing pigeons, sea turtles, and all. And the correct option is all, as salmon, pigeons, and turtles possesses magnetoreception, the ability to detect magnetic fields for navigation. Next question is in phototaxis, the stimulus is. Options are light, heat, gravity, and sound. You know photo means light, and the correct option is A, that is light. The next question is movement towards light is called. So the movement towards light is called the positive phototaxis. Okay. The next question is which type of taxis helps moths move towards a flame? The correct option is phototaxis. Moths show positive phototaxis as they move towards light sources. Ninth question is which of the following involves orientation by stars? Nocturnal birds, diurnal birds, bats, whales. The correct option is nocturnal birds, as stars are available in the night time. That is, nocturnal migratory birds use star pattern for night time navigation. 10th question is circadian rhythms assessed in. Options are on your screen, and the correct option is option A, that is time compensated navigation. Birds use internal biological clocks to correct for movement of the sun during solar navigation. The term menotaxis means. Options are on your screen, and the correct option is orientation at a fixed angle to a stimulus. Orientation as a fixed angle to a menotaxis allows animals to maintain a constant angle relative to a directional cue like light. 12th question is Lenotaxis is found in. Lenotaxis is found in. The correct option is single receptor organism. Single receptor organisms, as lenotaxis involves comparison of stimulus intensity over time using a single receptor. Next is tropotaxis is seen in. The tropotaxis is seen in animals with paired receptors. That is option A, as tropotaxis requires stimulus comparison from two receptors. Okay. The next question is anemotaxis refers to movement in response to. The options are wind, light, temperature, current, and the correct option is wind. Geotaxis means movement in response to, and the correct option is gravity. Pigeons use which organ for magnetoreception? Options are pineal gland, beak region, retina, and olfactory bulb. The correct option is beak region, as iron containing magnetite crystals in the beak help pigeons sense magnetic field. 17th question is true navigation means. Options are on your screen, and the correct option is option A, that is true navigation means reaching destination without familiar landmarks. Okay, as true navigation allows animals to find a location even from an unfamiliar area using cues like magnetic field or celestial objects. 18th question is which of the following shows solar navigation? Among the following, which one shows the solar navigation? And the correct option is monarch butterflies, as monarch butterflies use the sun's position and internal clocks to guide migration. 19th question is the use of olfactory cues in homing is seen in. The use of olfactory cues in homing is seen in salmon fish. Okay. 20 question is which animal navigates using echolocation? And the correct option is option D, that is both A and C, bats as well as dolphins. Bats as well as dolphins, both bats as well as dolphins use reflected sound waves, echolocation to orient and locate prey. 21st question is magnetite hypothesis explains. So magnetite hypothesis explains. The correct option is option A, that is magnetic sensing. As magnetic sensing, the hypothesis suggested that magnetite particles in tissue detect Earth's magnetic field. Chemical cues used for navigation are called. The correct option is all of the above, as chemical cues used for navigation are pheromones, as these are chemicals, odor trails, chemotaxis cues. The correct option is all of the above. Which type of taxis is shown by sperm cells moving towards an egg? The correct option is chemotaxis. Next is rheotaxis means movement in response to. Options are water current, wind, light, and sound. The correct option is water current, as rheotaxis helps fish maintain position or move related to water flow. 25th question is, which sensory system is most developed in migratory birds? The correct option is visual. Visual sensory system is most developed in migratory birds. The next question is, the term Zugan Roho in birds refers to. It refers to migratory restlessness. As we all know, we know that before migration, when the migration is going to happen, the birds feel restlessness, and that is called the Zugan Ruhi. The next question is, polarized light is useful for navigation in. Options are bees, bats, whales, and frogs, and the correct option is bees, as bees detect polarized light pattern for sun compass navigation. 28th question is, sun compass orientation was first studied in. It was first studied in sun compass orientation was first studied in honeybees, and this was studied by K.V. Frisch. Demonstrated sun compass used by honeybees in their waggle dance. 29th question is, the waggle dance of bees convey information about. The waggle dance of bees convey information about food sources, storage direction, and distance. Okay, and the last question is, which is not an orientation mechanism? Options are magnetoreception, chemotaxis, echolocation, and digestion. The correct option is digestion.